Welcome to the all-new Rudiments Around the Kit Around Australia 2.0. Shot at 4 exotic outdoor locations, Rudiments Around the Kit is the most detailed and comprehensive rudiment training pack available, showing you tons of effective ways to develop a full vocabulary of fills and drum solo ideas. With Rudiments Around the Kit, you are taught all 40 rudiments from the ground up, using applications for beginner, intermediate and advanced players. Each of the 40 rudiments is first demonstrated in its original form on the snare drum, and then reorchestrated around the drum kit in a multitude of unique ways. This can include playing the rudiments within new subdivisions, substituting notes for your pedals,
and interpret them onto the bass drum. Okay, still as 30-second notes, but just now playing like...
or even playing the rudiments backwards.
I like to actually reverse them. So if you go with that fill, where it ends on the bass drum, start on the bass drum and work your way up.
In addition to the 40 rudiments, you are also taught advanced rudiments, advanced rudimental independence, hybrid rudiments, and an entire workshop on the popular bludgeter fill. Each rudiment lesson also includes a split-screen easy beat clip played at 3 separate speeds. These easy beats include 4 HD angles, our on-screen cursor, written-in counting, and tempo markings. The easy beats also use stylistically matched backing music to give the patterns a musical context, and these same MP3 tracks are included with and without drums at no extra cost. In order to express and articulate yourself on the drums, you need the largest vocabulary possible, and the rudiments are literally the building blocks to that vocabulary. Rudiments Around the Kit leaves nothing to chance and no drummer behind by applying the rudiments as fills across a large variety of different drumming styles. Also included are printable PDF workbooks covering every fill taught that you can take to your drum kit. If you're sick and tired of playing the same old fills, it's time for a new approach. Rudiments Around the Kit is money back guaranteed to boost your playing to that next level. With the hours of great content in Rudiments Around the Kit, getting your copy is a no-brainer. Scroll down and secure your copy right now.